So what is your vibe for the fall? What is your vibe? What is your favorite color? What color do you like? Do you like the dark? Do you like the rose mauve? Do you like the brown? Well, this short video, we just show you what I do for the fall with my makeup and my new conditioner. I like to change. I like to be versatile for changing conditioners. So this week is... they had a sale at the beauty supply, so yes, we spurged ourselves. I spurged myself, and I bought the whole kit with Pureology, so I got a good bargain. Of course, having a license really do help. So keep on watching so you can see how I did with my shopping. So I went to the store today, the beauty supply, and I got some Pureology. I love this product. This is the Strength and Cure. This is has the shampoo. I really love it. Look at how pretty it is. Look at how so pretty. They had a special today. So they have the shampoo, they have the conditioner, and they have the leave-in treatment. So this is sulfur-free and paraben-free, and this is 100% vegan, and this is Pureology. And this, the ingredient has coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, seed oil, and camellia. And this is a very hydrating shampoo, very moisturizing, dense with strength, the hydrogen bond, and really close up the follicle of your hair, so your hair strengthens. Because in the winter, I do a lot of not coloring because my hair is white, but I lots of low light. And I love it because it's fun for me. So this is the color Fanatic 21 Pureology, and this has also 100% vegan and coconut oil, jojoba oil, seed oil, and camellia. And this is hydrating moisturizer. This is a heat protectant, and also a leave-in conditioner, and is anti-freeze and also antioxidant. So these products are very good. Look at how pretty. Look at how pretty. You can smell the camellia. This is the conditioner. Look at how smooth and soft it is on the skin. Very pretty. And this is the shampoo. Oh, it smells so fresh. And just look at how creamy it is. Look at this. You can smell the camellia. Yes, I am going to do this. I'm going to give myself a good shampoo and a good conditioner and get my hair ready because I wanted to do some low light. So we are going to have a lot of fun. But this is Pureology. This is what I got this week. Then also I did splurge on some different makeup. I had the Stelia, this one, the brown one, because it's fall and it's going into the winter. So this is very pretty. It's a brown, but it's a mauve brown. You see how pretty it is? So if you have hazel eye or dark brown, look at this. It apply so smoothly. Look at that. Look at this color. Look at how pretty it is. Look at this. Look at how smooth. You know what I like about this is you can also utilize this as a lipstick. Now, that may not be the right color for me, but we give it a try. Of course, we do want look at how pretty. Look at how pretty for the fall. Look at how pretty it is. So, and then I got the Stella pencil eyeliner. This is also a very pretty, this is a brown, the same, similar brown, but this is it is brown, but it has a little bit of rose mauve brown, so it's not quite brown. And this one, you could put it right here, just touching, just right here on the eyelashes, just right here. And then you can put some inside to make your eyes even bigger. See, very pretty. See how you just put all the way inside in here, and just the best way to do it for me is to do this and close my eyes. See that? And then you can just put a just a point right here. Okay? And then do the same thing to the other side. But look at how pretty this color is for the fall. You want to stomp a little bit so it's not so prominent, but it is this very pretty color. So this is Stella. This is Stella eyeshadow, and this is Stella eyeliner. I really like that. And then I got this mascara Paradise. I love these mascara because they have so many colors. They have green, they have purple, they have all kinds of different colors. And they're very easy to apply. So I usually buy quite a bit. So when my grandkids come over, they can have some. Because I cannot use them all. But they're very easy to apply. I like the way there's brushes. You see how it's thick at the beginning, and you see it's a little bit thick, but it's thinner right here, but it's thin right into the middle. So this, what this does is apply the mascara and comb your eyelashes. So you see how, and it's very easy to apply. So this is my purchase for the week. I did purchase this other one. Let me see this one. I got this online and I really like this, but this doesn't, it's all written in. This is a sweet mascara, but the way it's very pretty. Look at how pretty. So it is designed, it doesn't have any bristle, but look at how pretty. It's just like a pencil, and easy. And this is also a brown rose, and like a brown rose mauve, and it really distribute the mascara, but it also combs your lashes at the same time. You see that? It combs your lashes. And it's very, very thin. So I really like this. I got 2 of them. But I like to use rose mauve with a touch of brown for the fall and going into winter. So that's what I like. And then my Color Fanatic 21. So let's see how we do here with this hair. I did the hair up, and I got this little bow in here. I really like, you know, I love the fall. So as soon as the fall comes, then I really try to, I don't even have to try, I just do it. So I did cut my hair. I did give a good trim. Got about 5 inches off. And I redid a little bit the framing right here. But you see, I don't do the framing all the way down because my hair is naturally curly and wavy, so it would be very weird to. But sometimes I go just right here a little bit. Just, you see, just right here a little bit. And then I color my hair. I have right here off Goldwell. And this is level 9G. And I did a level 8G. And with 20 volume. So this is my excursion for this week. And you can put the little bit, you can put your bow right here. Now I won't do it, but I do it for you guys. But if you were gonna go somewhere, you could put it right here and just leave it like that. This is how pretty it is. I love this. It's a brown, but it has a touch of red. So it's very pretty. So this is what I got for this week, and it's just a fun getting ready for the fall. And this is Chantal, and I see you next time. And merci. Do not forget to leave me a comment. What do you like about the fall? Do you like to change the color? Do you like to color your hair? What is it that reflects you? And leave me a comment, and I see you next time. Merci, au revoir, et à très bientôt. Chantal.